The Stealth ECVP01 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum offers a versatile cleaning solution with its dual vacuum and mop functionality, ensuring spotless hard floors and refreshed area rugs. This vacuum is designed to tackle multiple surfaces effortlessly, including wood, tile, and cement, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning needs in homes and offices. With its self-propelled and lightweight design, the vacuum is easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight corners, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience. The innovative two-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, allowing you to consistently clean with fresh water and avoid the mess of traditional mopping. Featuring a self-cleaning function and voice prompts, the vacuum provides user-friendly operation and maintenance, making it a convenient choice for modern households. The package includes several accessories like a rolling brush and HEPA filter, enhancing its functionality and offering a well-rounded cleaning kit for users.